Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can summon in Celestial Alternate Summon 1 in Dragonheir Silent God. So I made this video is for beginner or new into this game. So let's get started by tapping the summon icon at the top of your screen. So this is the summon heroes page. You can see the details here. By unsealing the dice, you can summon various heroes from different planes to fight for you. And there are two summoning dice, the Heliolite dice and the Starlight Stone dice. So in this event, Celestial Alternate Summon, you use this one, the orange one, the Heliolite dice. So these are precious dice used to summon heroes. You can use to recruit mighty heroes of high rarity in advanced summoning. So you can use 5 summon, 5 stone here. I got 1 here, so I can summon 1. But before you summon in this banner, you have to choose the legendary hero of the event to be blessed. You can learn about the rules here or learn about the condition here. The chance of obtaining a blessed one will be increased, and chance increasing rule after summoning non-blessed legendary. So you can learn about it here. And I give an example. I want to pick this hero, for example, to obtain blessing. Tap the obtain blessing, and 1 chances, tap the summon. So please free to try, maybe you're luckier than me. And I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.